Welcome back to another interesting tutorial about Photoshop tips and tricks. And in today's video, I'm going to show you on how to save or export PSD file to password protected PDF without any stress. Let me show you how. Like for instance, this particular PSD file right here, I'm going to use it as an example. What you want to do right here is to simply come to the top right here, go ahead and navigate to File, come down below to Automate, go to PDF presentation right here. And then this is going to pump up right here. So go ahead and make sure you check on add open file. Then the file is going to be added right here. The next thing you want to do is to make sure multi-page document is checked. Then go ahead and click on save right here. And this is going to pump up right here. Go ahead and enter the name of the file. So I'm going to name this password protect PDF PSD to PDF, just like so. Then I'm going to go ahead and click on save right here. And this is going to pump up right here. What you want to do right here is to navigate to security. Under the security right here, make sure you check on require password to open the document. Enter the document, open password. Then come down below right here and make sure you hit on save. Please confirm the document open password. Then go ahead and hit on OK. Successfully saved as password protected PDF file. So I have the file in my document folder. So I'm going to bring out this file and go to documents. And then here we go. This is the PDF right here. Password protected PSD to PDF file, just like what you see right here. So I'm going to open up this particular PDF now. You see it's going to require a password to have access. So you can use any PDF viewer that you have on your Windows PC or Mac. So in this tutorial, I'm using Adobe Acrobat. What I need to do here is to simply drag and drop the PDF right here to view the PDF and then to confirm the password protected. So I'm going to go ahead and go to my file document right here. I'm going to minimize this. Then I'll simply drag and drop the PDF right here. Boom, you'll see it asks for password to be entered. So I'll simply enter the created password and I'll click on OK. And boom, we have it fully open right here in PDF file format. It's that simple. For more tutorial tips and tricks about PSD file or Photoshop tips and tricks, security settings like this, consider to subscribe. Thank you so much for watching and I hope to see you in my next video. Bye for now.